anyways, we are now heading out to the hunting grounds. I will check in with you guys when we get there. Time right now, time check.
2:17.
2:17 on October 4th. It's time to hunt, guys. Been waiting for this for a while. We're prepped and ready. You prepped and ready?
Prepped and ready.
We're prepped and ready. Get ready, guys. A lot of hunting from here on out. So hope you guys aren't against that type of thing, because there's a lot of it coming. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button for me, and get excited, because we got this weekend. We got 2 weeks from now going out to different public hunting ground. I'm going to camp out there for just 2 nights, just for the weekend. Same thing we're doing right now. And then a couple weekends after that, we're heading out for our first official hunting trip, where we're going right now. But that one we actually took days off of for quite a few days, actually. Quite a few days we took off. 4 days we took off for the first trip. And the second trip is around Thanksgiving. And that one we took another two or 3 days. I can't quite remember exactly, but it was like 2 or 3 days we took off for that one. So yeah, a lot of hunting coming up, guys. Get excited, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's gonna be a good time. And check in with you guys when we get to the hunting ground. Finally here, guys. Short intro right now, because I don't know where I'm going. We're at the motel. It's opening weekend. Today is October 5th. Conditions are about 48 degrees, gonna get up to about 58 degrees today. Cloudy and overcast the whole day. It could rain, probably is gonna rain a lot today, but like constant rain, not really heavy rain. And I do have the long lens with me today. It's in the backpack, as well as a dry bag in case this rain does come around. I might have to go GoPro exclusively, which I've got one on my head right here, and then I've got another one in the backpack on a jaw clamp. Let's go get them. Trail. I'm moving slow, being very deliberate, and I'm stopping and I'm looking around a lot more than I'm moving. Let's see if something turns up or we find something worth going back to in the afternoon. It's great to be out here though. Oh man. Happy hunting, people. Good luck. That is gonna bring it's gonna bring a close to the morning hunt. I mean, you expect a rodeo, I guess. It's my first time ever hunting in October. First time ever hunting opening weekend. Opening day was Tuesday, it's now Saturday. I moved real slow, but I covered a decent amount of ground this morning. I'm ending my morning sitting here. I've been glassing here for like the last 30 minutes. And just kind of, because this alley, at least half of it, is still public land. So I was just waiting to see if I could spot maybe a buck bedded down or something. But no go there. So now it's about 8:40. I'm going to get out of the woods and I'm going to drive around this road for about another half hour and just see if I can spot any deer in some fields or something. Get an idea of what I'm going to do this afternoon, because we only got one more hunt this weekend. Just tonight, and then we head back home tomorrow morning. Just fine with that. It's great to get out and get started, but a lot more hunting ahead, and definitely could have some rain rolling in this afternoon, so might not be able to use the Canon as much as we did this morning, but no biggie. Hopefully we run into a few. We saw a ton of deer last night, so I'm definitely going to watch a field tonight, I'll tell you guys that much.
Charlie said, "Oh my good farmer."
Alright guys, here is what is going down. It is obviously raining, has been most of the day, and is supposed to keep raining for about the next hour and a half to 2 hours. We are now getting ready to head out for the afternoon hunt. That ain't gonna stop us. No ghillie suit this afternoon, just because it is gonna be raining pretty heavy, and I don't want to get it soaked, so I'm just actually rocking black. One reason I don't like this place is that highway. It's really, really loud here, but it's close to the public land, so we like it, and it's cheap. But I'm gonna head out now. I'm gonna bring the Canon, but I might have to keep it put away basically the whole time because of how this rain is. We'll see. Fingers crossed something comes out. Hopefully they aren't all bedded down because of this rain. I'm a little worried that might be the case, but we just saw a buck way out there, chilling in a field. He was eating for about 30 minutes right in the middle of the field at like 1 o'clock. So that was before those heavy rains hit. So who knows if he was out getting a quick feed before the rains hit. I don't know. I'm hopeful that we're still gonna see some stuff. Plan is I'm just gonna go out and watch a field tonight. Gonna be a pretty basic, simple hunt. I'm gonna go out to a new field I haven't hunted before ever, and post up, try to find something with some good canopy up above me, and then that's gonna be it. Just ride out the rain and wait for that magic time right before last light and see if something comes out. I mean, if something comes out before then, that's awesome, but what we saw last night kind of made it seem like you're gonna get a big show at the end and then not much before that. But stay tuned, guys. We're going anyways. I don't care if it's raining. Keep water hopping, guys. And yeah, now it's keep tree hopping, or keep woods hopping. It's freaking raining good now, folks. Like that truck. I'll probably own something just like that come next year. Look at that. Nice Tacoma. That's my dream right there, folks.